Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been floating around the internet and quacking up a storm. The infamous duct vacuum. That's right. You might have seen ads touting this quirky little product, but is it all just quacking hype? Stick around as we expose the truth behind the duct vacuum. You might have come across ads that show the duct vacuum in action. They're bright, colorful, and super quirky. I mean, who wouldn't be curious about a vacuum that looks like a duck? The catchy tagline claims it's the cutest and most effective vacuum you'll ever own. But is it really? Let's dig a little deeper. I spent quite a bit of time researching this product and analyzing customer testimonials. What I found was alarming. Numerous reviews on social media and online marketplaces claim that the duct vacuum is good if it was true. Sure, it's cute. But when it comes to performance, that's where things get murky. One customer posted a video claiming that after just a week, their duct vacuum started making weird noises and eventually stopped working altogether. Let's not forget about the questionable customer service. Many customers reported difficulty getting in touch with the company for refunds or replacements. One user said they tried to reach customer support for weeks, only to receive automated responses. Talk about a quack up. Let's talk about the price. The duct vacuum is marketed for around $39.99. A steal, right? But if you think about the quality and the number of complaints, is it really worth it? Your hard-earned money deserves better. Now that we've exposed the truth about the duct vacuum, what are your options? There are plenty of trusted alternatives available that won't leave you feeling ducked out of your money. It's time to make informed choices. If you're in the market for a new vacuum, consider doing a little more research. Check reviews from verified customers and look for long-standing brands that offer good warranties and customer support. You deserve a product that delivers. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more consumer tips and tricks. For those of you who've been swayed by the duct vacuum hype, I hope this video has helped you see through the quackery. Remember, when it comes to buying online, always do your homework. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, stay smart and stay savvy. Until next time.